Okay, today I am making one of my favorite hamburger recipes. I'm gonna take you through how to season the meat, what to add on top of it, how to serve it, the whole thing. This is one of my favorites, and there's a little secret that takes it from really, really good to just the best burger you've ever had. And I'll show you. Let's get going. Okay, the first thing, our ground beef. Do an 80-20 blend. That's my favorite blend personally. You can go leaner, but why? If you're having burgers, have a burger. Do an 80-20 blend. Don't season it and mix it. I like to add seasoning when the patties are formed because it helps create a crust on the burger. So section these off into burgers first. Okay, salt and pepper. That's all I'm gonna use. Season both sides of your burgers. Okay, I've got cast iron heating. And here is what changes everything. Here, I have bacon fat. I know. Take your burgers, put them in. Go ahead, chop up an onion and some mushrooms. All right, after about 5-6 minutes, give them a flip. And you want a really nice sear on that. Okay, while this is finishing up for the last couple minutes, take a sprig of sage and get it in that bacon fat and start to paint. Transfer them to a plate. Then with your burgers, take single sage leaf on each burger, and then a little blue cheese. Cover it in foil. Let that blue cheese melt. Now while that's melting, take your skillet with all the bacon fat and cooked meat deliciousness and add your onions and mushrooms. So once this has started to get a nice color to it, then deglaze the pan with some white wine vinegar. Then take your onions and mushrooms out. Slice up a tomato. Really thin slices. All right, let's assemble this thing. Okay, take your bun, put ketchup on the bottom. Then, one slice of tomato. Take your delicious burger patty with that sage, that blue cheese, right on top. Cover it with your mushroom and onions. And then, there you have a beautiful, beautiful hamburger. Put it through. Oh my God. It's falling right apart. It's so juicy.